Elevate your home's curb appeal with our expert touch. Our high-pressure cleaning services are not just about removing unwanted elements, they are about creating a lasting impression. From rooftops to pathways, we are the go-to in turning dull exteriors into showcases of cleanliness and beauty. At Dirtbusterz, professionalism is our trademark. Our team of specialists brings a wealth of experience and dedication to every project. We understand the importance of your property, and our commitment to excellence shines through in every clean. From housing estates to property management companies, we are dedicated to delivering top-notch service that speaks volumes about our commitment to professionalism. Join our satisfied customers who have experienced the transformative power of our high-pressure cleaning. We don't just clean, we rejuvenate, leaving your property looking better than ever.